Prime Minister unveils updated COVID-19 containment measures, continues his vaccination mobilization tour, and appoints temporary Agriculture and Fisheries Minister. You're watching Jamaica House Weekly. I'm Anthony Morgan.
The Cabinet met on Monday and decided on the following new measures effective from Saturday, September 18 until October 28, 2021.
Prime Minister Andrew Holness during last Wednesday's sitting of the House of Representatives. No movement days will now be on Sundays and will include National Heroes Day on Monday, October 18. Weekday curfew hours are now at 8 p.m. and 6 p.m. on Saturdays.
The epidemiologists and other experts at the Ministry of Health, having reviewed the data, and we're now starting to examine transportation in greater detail, took the view that 8 o'clock is a better time to allow for the clearing of congestion and to reduce the crushing of persons trying to get onto public transportation to get home.
Certain vaccination sites will remain open on the no movement days, and persons who wish to receive the vaccine will be allowed to do so. Businesses and delivery operators registered on the e-commerce National Delivery System ENDS will be able to operate after curfew hours until midnight and on no-movement days. As for other containment measures, the public gathering limit remains at 10 persons, while only 20 persons are allowed to physically attend places of worship, funerals, weddings, and annual general meetings. Public entities will only be allowed virtual events, and burials will not be permitted on public holidays. And the existing work-from-home arrangement stipulated for the public sector has been extended to October 28. Wednesday also saw the Prime Minister temporarily appointing Industry and Commerce Minister Audley Shaw as the new Minister of Agriculture and Fisheries. The additional responsibilities were given following the resignation of former Minister Floyd Green. Mr. Holness says Minister Shaw will ensure that all current programs of work and policy direction are maintained to yield the maximum benefits to farmers and the local agricultural sector. Prime Minister Andrew Holness continued his vaccine mobilization and public education campaign this past week. On Wednesday, he visited East Kingston and Port Royal, Manchester on Thursday, and by Friday he was back in the corporate area visiting Southwest St. Andrew. Mr. Holness urged persons to take the first available vaccine.
We can use our own reasoning and our own good judgment and be proactive in our own benefit and take the vaccine. You are now beginning to realize how serious it is. But we shouldn't wait until it reaches so close. What we should be doing is using our own sense of what we should be calling good judgment.
The Prime Minister also revealed that 55 additional fixed vaccination sites have been established across the island. This, he says, will make it easier for persons to access vaccines in their communities. Prime Minister Andrew Holness used his vaccination mobilization tour to distribute tablets and printers to schools in the areas visited. The devices were donated through the One Laptop or Tablet per Child initiative and Mr. Holness's Positive Jamaica Foundation. Each constituency visited received 40 tablets and a multipurpose printer.
These devices have replaced pen and paper, by and large. This is the pen and paper of today. And we need to have this device, these equipment, in the hands of all Jamaican students, whether or not they are going to be doing online learning or face-to-face learning.
And that's how we close out Jamaica House Weekly. Be sure to join us next time for more of the news stories coming out of the office of the Prime Minister.